How to contact Binance customer support. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To contact your Binance customer support, you can tap on Binance application to launch it. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your Binance account. To contact your Binance customer support, it is pretty simple. At the top, you will see the Binance logo. You need to tap on it. In here, select on support. You have three of the support feature for you. Select on Need Help to check for frequently asked questions and relatable articles that you can check out some of the instructions for to solve your problem. If not, select on System Feedback to identify and submit some of the problem. Or select on Request a feature to request certain changes in your Binance application. You can select the product type, status, and sort of it. Once you have selected it, you can tap on Submit Product Suggestion. Binance team will review such submit and will also do some of the necessary changes if there are a couple of more of such submit related on the basic of your problem or inquiry. You can check out any of the three features of help and support of Binance customer support. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.